just picking up Lady, but isn't this the cutest little freaking shop ever? Oh, hello, little puppies. Hello, sweetie. Did you get all done up? Now it's time to go to the vet. They put a fun little bandana on you, huh? We're gonna go to the vet now to see what's wrong with your back, if it's getting better or if it's getting worse. Huh. Okay, she knows we're at the vet's. She's like, I know what they do here. They make me hurt here, huh? I know, but we gotta get you checked out. We gotta get you checked out, okay? We gotta get you checked out. I'm not saying I have the cutest dog in the world, but when the nurse takes the dog out to get an exam done and you hear all of the attendees or whatever stopping to like see her and say, she's so cute, she's so pretty. I'm just saying, she's a cute dog.
Her knee!
That's from our heartworm test.
Oh, is it? I was like, no. So I'm sure you told everybody what the deal was.
I haven't yet.
You haven't?
So they said her back's okay. He like worked her over and he's like, I don't think her back's giving her issues. But they said little dogs have a defect of where their tendons grow longer than their legs sometimes, and it'll create a loose kneecap. And so I think that's what happened last night when she came running up the stairs and was yiping like crazy.
Yeah.
Because it stretched out, probably shifted and caught, and then it'll just snap right back in.
Okay.
But he's like, it can hurt him sometimes. Sometimes it doesn't bother him, but it'll still pop in and out. She's like, it's
Oh
something
my word.
she'll just learn it. She
Lady.
was like fluffy and beautiful when she came out of the
She still looks fluffy
groomer.
and beautiful.
But like, I don't know if it's like the getting her blood drawn and then all the doctor
Salivating.
She salivates, and so her goatee's like.
That's okay. Lady, you're still pretty. Yes, you are. Kids are asking for dinner, and we have no food.
The house is so bare.
Oh, I have been the worst at like getting food, all the jazz. Let's do dinner first. Let's do an early dinner. And then let's go grocery shopping. We have not been grocery shopping in a hot minute.
Why don't we take early dinner and grocery shopping and combine them?
I don't want
store.
dinner at Sam's
You
Club.
want a hot dog?
I don't want Sam's Club hot dog.
Pizza?
I don't.
They have chicken sandwiches. Churros.
The pizza is a little tempting.
You can throw it out. We can separate them, but together.
Yay.
Can we get 2 pieces?
Let's. I mean, it is the cheapest thing you could possibly find for dinner.
You can feed the family for like 5 cents there. It's amazing.
Okay, let's all get in the car and we'll decide in the car. Go potty.
Come on.
Go potty. No, she hates the grass.
Go potty.
She hates
That's
the grass.
Dad's like prized grass. Go potties.
Lady, go. Go potty. What Joel was saying, because I was like, we can't let her jump off our bed. We can't let her run down the stairs. And the vet said, he's like, she will learn what she can and can't do.
Yep, she'll figure it out. They did say that when your dog has that loose kneecap though, they're like almost a sure candidate for arthritis at an earlier age. I'm like, oh.
You have arthritis at an early age.
Well, doesn't slow me down, so maybe it won't slow her down.
I should have recorded the chaos that it was trying to get the food, but guys, we got our Sam's Club dinner. It cost us $12 to feed the whole family.
I can't buy a pizza for $12.
Yep, it's bigger than your face. Yep, Olivia cut hers in half. That was smart. I don't typically buy Pop-Tarts. All the kids are wanting Pop-Tarts, so we'll keep them in the cold room and we'll have them sparingly. Boston picked out the circus cookies and he was the only one that voted yes, so we vetoed that choice. What does everyone think?
Nope.
No? Okay, sorry, vetoed. They all have to want them.
There's actual mini packs of trail mix.
Yeah, and you guys just don't eat them, so
I eat them.
vetoed. Sorry.
Never had.
Yes, we have.
Why do you love the trail mix?
Do you like Cheez-Its?
Yes.
Do you like?
Who doesn't?
Okay, all right, you can do Cheez-Its then. See,
This is the first and the last time we're doing this.
if majority rules, then that's okay. We are gonna try these. We've never had them. Organic coconut crispy rollers. Let's just see. Who knows?
How'd my razor get in here, huh?
Lorna Dunes.
Oh goodness, look, it's our little baby. Did we get any actual food?
We did not get any actual food. There's not one healthy, real food option in this entire cart.
Actually, and besides that,
No,
this is like the
I
one
mean,
healthy thing in here.
I don't know if I would classify it as healthy. I really don't know. We don't often do carts that look like this, but today I guess is the exception. So here we are. This is what we're doing. And I don't really have regrets, do you?
No.
All right.
gonna look like when we're all teenagers. Like, Ruben, mom, can we go buy some stuff?
You know, I was expecting worse.
I was.
So I'm not complaining.